students, welcome back to our science class. I hope you all are enjoying your science classes. Students, we are doing chapter 5, soil. Our today's topic is soil and crops. Students, in our refreshment class, I told you that if you make a flower garden or if you want to grow crops, you should have clear knowledge about soil, because all types of plants do not grow well in the same types of soil. You have already learned about three types of soil. They are clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Today we will learn something more about them. Water holding capacity of these three types of soil through an interesting experiment. To do the experiment, you need three types of soil: clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil. I have collected some water, a funnel, three funnels actually you need. I have made funnel by cutting PET bottle. You can also make this, and three glasses like this, so that you can observe the experiment clearly. Let's start. Students, on the glass you have to keep the funnel in this way. The cap should be tight, and then you will put soil inside it. Students, you have to maintain the soil under topic so that you can easily understand with which soil you are doing experiment. After putting soil inside the funnel, then you can take off the cap slowly. Then put it on the glass again. Now I will pour some water inside it. Students, remember that water should be same measurement for all types of soil. Now I am pouring water. To maintain the water measurement, I am using this bottle. You see, first I will pour water inside clay soil. See, water is dropping very slowly. Students, can you see clearly? And the remaining amount of water is very few. Can you see? Flowing of water is very slow, and on the glass the remaining water is very few. Now I will pour water inside sandy soil. See students, what happens. Can you see students? Water is falling down very fast, and with the particles also. Inside the glass, water has fallen, as well as the particles of sandy soil has also fallen inside the glass. Have you observed? Now I will pour water inside loamy soil. Student, see, water is falling very slowly but faster than clay soil, and there is less particle. I hope you can see. Students, so I hope you are clear. You have observed very well which soil took how much time to pass water. This is clay soil. And which soil drop water with the particles. This is sandy soil, and this is loamy soil. Now students, you will write your observation in the table, book page 33. How fast the water drains? How much water drains? Okay, students, and there is question for you. Think and share. Which soil can retain the water most? Retain means to hold. You write your answer beside this question. Why do you think so? You have to clarify your answer. Write this in your homework class or copy. Students, I hope you are clear now. Today up to this. Very soon I will come back to you with some more fun. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.